Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize subtitles in Fortnite. To customize subtitles, click on your profile icon in top right corner, then click on settings, and then click on audio, subtitles, options, and here you can turn them off or on, and you can also adjust the text size from extra small to extra large. You can see a preview of it here. You can change the text color. You can see a preview here as well. Text border. And you see a preview as well. And background opacity. You can set it to clear, low, medium, high, or solid. And when you're done, click on apply and click here to go back and click once again to exit settings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.